Literally, that's not a break, man. No, I'm serious, it's not.
There's no break.
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
Nothing's on the screen now to touch to make it spin.
Tilt locked. What does this? Not that one.
Mate.
What?
No, we need a lesson in this, man.
What's this one doing now?
Did it not come with a little manual or anything?
Tiny little thing. I think we need to just go on YouTube, innit? So it's Monday morning, just in the warehouse. Adam's here having a tidy up. We're going to move some boxes around to one of our other storage areas, and we've got a big delivery coming down from the factory this week. So just having a bit of a tidy up and loads of nice installations coming up. So stay tuned. We're going to show you as much as we can from this week's installations. While you're filming,
Maybe he's got it ready to go every time.
you can do it while it's filming like that.
There you go, that's what he's done.
That's what you want.
I can't take no loss. I don't even know what it costs. I hit the ground then I go.
Oh, I think that's Paul. What do you reckon?
I can't take no loss. I don't even know what it costs. Yeah, I hit the ground then I go off. Yeah, hit the ground then I go off. Yeah, run it. Ooh, I really feel it's my time. Think it's my year. Yeah. I really feel it's my time. Think it's my year. Yeah. I really feel it's my time. Think it's my year. Yeah. I really feel it's my.
Spud. So it's Monday afternoon, all the boys have just got back to the office. We're just packaging up some orders that are going to leave us today. And Lloyd's making a lot of noise in the background. Cheers, Lloyd. Shh. We're just packaging up one of the orders, which is for the Yanamize competition winner for the 8 hexagon set. So we'll show you that getting packaged up quickly, and it'll be sent off to the lucky winner.
Yeah, I did all that, had to make it happen. Putting hours in my practice, I did all that. Yeah, I can't take no loss. Yeah, I don't even know what it costs. I hit the ground, then I go off. Yeah, hit the ground, then I go off. Yeah, I can't take no loss. I don't even know what it costs. Yeah, I hit the ground, then I go off. Yeah, hit the ground, then I go off. Yeah, run it. Ooh, I really feel it's my time, think it's my year. Yeah, I really feel it's my time, think it's my year. Yeah, I really feel it's my.
Good morning. It's Tuesday morning. Last night I heard something like a gunshot.
911, what is your emergency? I hear shots! Okay, ma'am, calm down. What kind of shots?
I was like, fucking hell, what's that? Look outside the window, van's sweet. Alright, cool. Come down this morning. Oh, the old girl's flat. It's no good. Back en route, tyre on and off to the tyre shop, our local one down near Welham Green. What a great Tuesday morning. Let's hope it gets better.
So it's Tuesday morning, just got into the office early this morning. Going to jump on a Zoom call with Sebastian, who is Garage Style Germany. So discuss a few things with him, and then we've got a meeting with the accountant. So lots of meetings today, but the boys are out on the road, and hopefully we're going to show you some of what they're up to as well. Right, so it's Wednesday morning. I've just arrived in Warwick. I'm going on a garage door sales training course for some of the new products that our garage door supply has just launched. So hopefully lots to learn. I'll show you a few bits if we get the chance. But yeah, the rest of the boys are out on a job today fitting a garage door actually. So you'll see some of that as well.
The surveyor did well, put it that way.
Who surveyed it?
Me. Right, so in here obviously, this is like a utility room, so they're a bit struck for space and the height, so they had an up and over door beforehand, and we're going to put a roller in just so then it saves them a bit of space, and it also means that they can actually use it as an accessible door. best thing that comes out of these boxes.
Haribo.
So Adam, let's say you come through my house, right, and I've got a green front door. Can you match my garage door to my door?
Of course, any rail colour. As long as we've got the rail colour, we can match it. I mean, some of the colours now, because like with the windows and doors side of things, they come as standard colours now. So like your Chartwell greens, anthracite greys and everything like that, they're always standard colours now. So there's actually no extra charge on those. But with the white, what we've done on this one, we've done like a white box. So basically what that'll do is it will actually picture frame the actual green. So with this one, we've actually got a green curtain. So this is the Chartwell green, so it's good. Should look brilliant. Right, so that's us all done. One garage door installed and fitted by us to match the front door of this property. One very happy customer.
Morning guys, we are on our way to a job installation down in Poole. I'm here with Lloyd, George as well, keeping us company. Lovely bit of M25 traffic to start the day. Who doesn't love that? Yeah, we'll keep you up to date throughout the day. How are we getting on?
Turn it on. Your other side. Right. Oh, yeah. So basically, it is like a bumper car. Right. Right. So the more you push down, the faster you go. So this. Yeah, yeah. Right. Good luck. I'll leave you to it, man. So look, you see on here? Is there a brake? No, 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 that's not a brake. That's
My
not.
life is in the hands of this.
No, literally, that's not a brake, man. No, I'm serious. It's not.
There's no brake.
Right. So this arrow,
Right.
it's
Oh,
literally
that was
like it's literally like a bumper car. If you go like that, you're going backwards.
I see.
Right. So that's
Okay.
why it all went a bit.
Yeah.
Whatever it did over there.
Right.
Good luck.
I think I'm ready for the real thing.
Oh shit, here we go again.
Stop.
I forget there's no brake.
Yeah. There is nothing to see here. Nothing to see here.
Spot for the cameras? I think it might be.
There's no
I think
incriminating
we're okay.
damage at all. No incriminating damage at all.
It'll work out, man. We're good. How we go? We're okay, mate.
It's alright. You lasted